I'm on the second floor. Oh, I need to go to the lobby. Good road going to DC. Look at all that room though. Partial, like weeds. See that load right there? Okay. See the load right there. That's one load though. It's not partial. I'm adding partial to it though. Got a lot of room. A lot of weight. Gotta work. But yeah, man, this is from Fort Lauderdale to DC. Y'all walk with me, man. Y'all gonna see what's going on. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, dude. Alright, people, since I'm loaded, I'm at the red light, so I figured I'd talk to y'all. So, okay, truck is loaded, ready to go, ready to hit the road. You know, I seen something on my video that didn't make sense to me. Broker tried to play me. Telling me, it was a different name, carrier name on it. I said, hey, hold up, it's not me. You gotta be careful. There's a lot of scams out here, right? So what I did, I said, okay. You can write on the manifest. BOL is a manifest, by the way. Somebody gonna argue with it, but I've been working in this field for a long time. You know what I'm saying, with manifest and BOLs and stuff. But so what I did, I crossed it out, put my name, and then when I sent them a copy, I blanked it out, edited it, and put it in my name also. It's called Sign in something app. So pretty much look like it's typed up like that. So I made sure I sent it to them like that, because that's probably that double brokering stuff they're trying to do. So when it's time, you don't have the original, you know, I know they got more money to this. I probably won't give them no problem, but I want to make sure I get my money too. They got way more money. It is what it is. I got decent pay for this. Well, not really. It's a decent pay coming out of Florida. You know, it definitely be better, but I'm going to pick up another load somewhere else too. But what I want to do, I want to go weigh the truck, because the weight that they say is this way, it's close. So I'm going to go weigh it at a truck stop, make sure. I'm sure it's less than that, I can tell. And yeah, we're going to go from there. But I'm going to let y'all, man. I'll talk to y'all. Y'all see me. Y'all with me today, man. Y'all with me on this journey, man. And you understand. You understand. Overstand. Man, that truck looks familiar, man. Like a river, like a river logistic. What's up, like a river logistic? What's up, man? You good? Yeah. What's up, y'all? What's up? You know when I come to give and talk. You know what this is. This where you weigh your stuff, a weigh scale. I just got my truck weighed, you know what I mean? When I booked this load actually was overweight, but I just knew it didn't make sense, because a lot of the time what they do, a lot of these shippers don't really weigh it. And as we were putting on the truck, I said, nah, this is not overweight. I knew it wasn't gonna be overweight. I knew it. I could tell, like, just by what it was, what actually I was gonna be shipping, and the length of it. I said, nah, this ain't no way. Then once I put it on, I said, nah, ain't no way. Because if it was, I would have been like, nah, I can't take it. So I just weighed it. Now my GVW is 26,000 pounds. And this load was supposed to be 9,000. I said, ain't no way that's 9,500. I said, no. So I weighed it. And my total weight is 19,240 pounds. Right? So I have easily 5,000 plus pounds. 6,000 really. 6,000 and change pounds left to add to this truck. You know, when I polish out King of the Month, so you know there's something going to be added to this, you know? But yeah, man, but always weigh your truck. If you in doubt, go weigh your truck. Even though I knew for a fact, because I helped the guy load it on and nothing was heavy, I said, nah, ain't no way. Always double check. Now, if this was overweight, then, you know, then I would be looking stupid like Bubba the Clown. I would bring it back. I would bring it back. I don't play with my license like that. I don't play with my business, man, at all. So I would bring it back for sure. Then I'd be looking like, why did you book it if you knew it was this, that, you know what I'm saying? But it's just like, once you understand how these shippers are, you understand why I did what I did. I did what I did because majority of the time these shippers don't really weigh this stuff. They just throw a number out there. You know, it could be in that region, and 90% of the time it's not even that. If you say 7,000, well, it depends. It depends what it is too. Say 7,000, most of the time you're like 3,000 pounds, 4,000 pounds. But you know, but this was 9,500, and I know coming out of Florida, sometimes you gotta take what you can get. So I said, "Bomb, this is a nice load, paying okay. I'm go ahead and grab that." So that's what I did, and it worked out for me. Don't try this at home, kids. Try this at home. But yeah, we on our way though. We at the truck stop right now. I'll let y'all. But I just see my boy too, man. I just walked up on my. What's up, y'all? I'm at the truck stop right now. Look, now if you're early and you're on time, if you're on time, you're late, it ain't work today. It ain't work today. Backfired on really. Not really backfired, but I got here a day early. People them like, hey, we're not gonna be there till tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm at this big old truck stop. We ain't gonna be there till tomorrow morning. I said, damn. I got there. There's some people there, but it was like, we don't know those people. You can't just take it. And I want to be responsible for it. I was like, dang, that's all right. I feel that. It's all good though. Just gonna take a rest, man. Rest day, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little workout in. You know, find me something good to eat. So apparently TA has a hotel. We're gonna see what it look like in there. You know I'm going in there. They got a whole hotel now. TA winning, man. I don't know. They winning. I done seen a gym. They had a gym in their truck stop. I done seen a chapel. Man, I ain't seen Pilot. Wasn't Loves. Flying J, which is still Pilot. I ain't seen none of them with that. TA, you winning. But TA one, they do look kind of older though. But I might go in there and see what it's all about. Hey. I didn't know they had a hotel. This is folks though, so the store is attached with the hotel. The game station. You got a golden teeth, no signal. Store right there. The massage chair. And the restaurant. Good. All right, I see. Where the hotel part at? Okay. I'm on the second floor. Oh, I need to go to the lobby. I need to go to the lobby. I came to the second floor, but that's what it looked like, though. All right, so I used to lay there at front desk, right? I'm gonna do it for a night. Say it's $66. It's a beautiful price. Beautiful price if you have a CDL, though. You have a CDL now. Well, it is what it is. It's better than the truck. I ain't sleeping there though. My truck is better. It's free. I pay more than $66. All that gas. Yeah. Might go get it in real quick and get a quick little workout. Hazmat. Yes, sir. What's up, y'all? Y'all see me. Snapback. Snapback. That's my blender right there. But look, currently at this stop, this location, waiting for the shipper to get here. It's some tennis tournament or something like they're having, so nobody can collect. Nobody even know these people. I've been here since 8 o'clock. It is now 11 o'clock. Oh yeah, this thing called detention time. Definitely will be getting there. So I already spoke with the broker. The broker already know what time it is, because I know what time it is. So yeah, I've been waiting for a while. Man, I do have another pickup like 2 hours away, and I'm supposed to be here at 12. It's looking crazy, man. It's looking crazy. But I'm definitely gonna update shipper. What? But I'm waiting, man. I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. I see me. See my blanket. It's like a military blanket, you know. Government blanket, I guess y'all would say. Just would remind me of the military. I'm here chilling, man. Chilling, man. I'm in DC. DC. Chilling in the truck. I'm laid up now. Relaxing, chillaxing. Smile at y'all. Everything's here. He's working. Did what it did. I didn't even get to tell y'all. Let y'all talk to y'all about that last stop. Yeah, the last stop delivered. Didn't get a chance to because I was like late for this stop, which was like 2 hours away. I was supposed to be here at 1 o'clock, and at the time I left there it was 12, so I had to go. I'm here, I'm at my new stop. This stop is going to Dallas. You want to see how much space? It said 26, but I doubt it. I'm gonna have more space. Partial, I do. I add a little partial to it. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog this one, but yeah, I'll let y'all see what I got. It's Hazmat. Hazmat, you know your boy Hazmat the whole 9. You know, I'm a Hazmat guy. My last job was strictly dealing with just Hazmat. So yeah, I'll let y'all see what it is though. So it says Hazmat. It's like stuff for the flooring, I guess. I can understand why it's Hazmat just because I come from a Hazmat background. Shoot, though. A lot of stuff we use is Hazmat. Some of our lotion. I believe that. Remember, I used to pick up Hazmat from like Walmart and stuff. Some of the stuff that's considered hazardous waste, you be shocked. But this is like flooring for like a high school. All right. This thing paid great. Hazmat pay. Good Hazmat, man. Hey, I think I'm gonna specialize in Hazmat. I might get everything I need to know, everything I need to get for this truck to haul Hazmat. But it's paying great right here. So, right, I was about to placard, but the weight of the what's considered hazard wasn't over 1,000 pounds. Therefore, I don't have to placard. So yeah, no placarding today, baby. You sorry. No attention on me. Chalky wheels too, guys.